it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do it to subscribe. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a quick yummy breakfast sandwich. Without further ado, let's dive in. I'll be using some boiled mackerel. I seasoned these with some oregano, black pepper, turmeric powder, seasoning cube, and salt. Some cucumber slices, boiled egg slices, bread slices, grated carrot, about a teaspoon of powdered white sugar, mayonnaise, and spreadable butter. Starting off with the mixing of the filling, add some mayonnaise, eggs, and mix. This aside, toasting the bread. So yummy. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.